Hello traders, Gary Wagner here, just about noon in Honolulu, 6 o'clock in New York. It is Monday, April 16th, 2018, and this is the Daily Report for Gold and Silver. Gold closed higher, but higher by only $1 today at $1348.90, a 7-cent gain in silver at $16.66, and that was all due to a weakening U.S. dollar, down 37 points, closing at 89.13. Dow Jones Industrial Average gaining about 212 points today, 24,573, and a slight retracement in Bitcoin futures, 80.20 and 79.90 in the CBOE and CME futures exchanges. Traders, gold futures have closed, currently bid at $1348.50. In terms of today's range, it did trade to a high of $1353.50. and a low of $1342.80. Interestingly enough, it was dollar weakness that is 100% attributable to today's gains in gold. Currently, the dollar index is trading at 89.12, down 38 points or 0.43% on the day. As we have spoken about throughout last week, what we have noticed in both gold as well as the dollar is a defined compression of range. When we look at the dollar, we have our upper level resistance line, we have our lower level support line, and it is quite clear that the dollar has been tracking within those defined resistance areas as well as support areas. And after touching near the upper level of the dollar index's trading range 3 weeks ago, it has been followed by 2 weeks of lower pricing. And as you know, it has been my current assessment that if the dollar on a closing basis breaches this level at 88.58, we could easily see dollar pricing go into a virtual free fall, because on a technical basis, there is zero support for the dollar index up until about 84.50, and that is the 78% retracement point. Now, traders, if that does occur, we would see the reciprocal move in gold. Gold currently trading at $1348. A 4% gain would be approximately a $58 gain, taking gold pricing well above $1,400 per ounce. Traders, my recommendation is to maintain our current long position, maintain our current stop level. We will look to tighten that stop within the next few days. Traders, I feel as though we need to take a serious look at palladium. Palladium moving up about 1.5%, trading at $995 and change, up $14.40 on the day. If you look at this daily chart, it is clear palladium has been trading independently of all of the other precious metals, now tracking for the 6th consecutive day with higher pricing. It is well above not only the 200-day, but the 50-day moving average, and that resulting in today's spike. It is the fact that we are imposing more sanctions on Russia, and Russia is the single largest producer of palladium. Because of that fact, we feel that current resistance levels do not come in until about 1,060. That is based upon these particular tops. And the fact of the matter is, this market is moving based on fundamentals and could easily surpass that particular price point. Therefore, we want to take a look over the next couple of days of adding to our long gold position by adding a long palladium position. More to come on that over the next day or so. Bitcoin futures currently trading off by about $115 at $79.90. However, that lower price is a little bit deceiving, because on closer inspection, we can see that it traded today with a higher high and a higher low than the previous session on Friday. The close itself is very near the open, suggesting a doji candle. And my sense is that there is some profit taking in the market after the sharp gains exhibited last week. Our target remains 9,100 to 9,200 for Bitcoin. Traders, considering that gold closed up $1 today after Friday's retaliatory strike by the United States and allies, and we didn't see a tremendous sell-off on Sunday, considering it was a one and done, traders have now refocused their attention on things that were at the forefront prior to the chemical attack by Syria, such as a weakening U.S. dollar and the trade dispute between China and the United States. I do believe we have seen gold holding its own, and I do expect it to move to higher pricing. This has been Gary Wagner, wishing you, as always, good trading. We'll talk to you tomorrow for another daily update and review. Bye-bye.